guys. I know there's a lot of anxiety in the air right now, but the best thing that you can do for yourself in this week is just go through the past papers, see what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, so that you have a good picture when you see the actual question paper. How do you tackle it? Apart from that, handle your nerves. That's the most important thing that has helped me. Don't panic in any question. It's the same question paper for everybody. The person who holds their nerves gonna win the race. And yeah, look forward for your incredible journey in a B school. Wherever you go, I'm sure you'll be very successful. But looking forward to see you in campus soon. All the best.
Hi, I have, like many of you, struggled with VARC during my mocks. But one thing I trained myself for is to eliminate all other options before selecting an option instead of coming up with a logical explanation for an option I think is right. Sounds tricky but works like a gem. And also, do not take parajumbles or any other add-ons for the VARC section for granted because they really help me ace my score. All the very best.
Hi. So I think you might have already prepared well for CAT, but even if you didn't, don't worry. Trust yourself on the day of the exam. Don't focus too much on the past section, focus on the current section which you're attempting. Because the aggregate of all three will give you your final percentile score. All the best.
Hello guys, I know how it feels, this situation. We have all been through that phase. You guys are well prepared, well focused. Now don't think on the previous course and the previous mocks. Slot 2 और slot 3 वाले लोगों के लिए एक छोटा सा advice है. If possible, पता कर लेना is there any change in the paper pattern, and don't panic if you see any new pattern in the paper. It's for all the people and not only for you. Here to give you only positive lights with lots of love, and all the best.
Hi, CAT is not about solving the whole paper. It's about selecting the right questions and solving with accuracy. All the best.
Hello. Whatever the preparation you have done until now, it's more than enough. Now start thinking about the exam. Especially in the DIR section, one thing that most helped me is starting with the DI set, as it's mostly about just about the numbers and the calculations. And then I went to that LR set. In LR also, I choose the concept which I'm comfortable with and can come up with a logical explanation very fast. At the same time, when you start a hard set, don't stick on to that set for more time. Just start a new set and go with a fresh perspective as if it's the first set you are going to solve. All the best.
Hi guys, first of all the best for your upcoming exams. So the D-Day is couple of days ahead and you might be stressful. Try to stay calm and don't do new things in these days. Have some good sleep, be patient and stay in a happy space. One suggestion I would like to give is for the quant section, which worked very well for me, is try to go through all questions, pick some good easy 10 to 15 questions.
Hi guys, I know you're very anxious for the exam that you're going to write in the next few days. I just want you to remember one particular thing regarding CAT. You have seen many other exams like civil services or these exams which take a lot of time, which will completely have to be very devoted to these particular exams, but CAT is not like that. This is an MBA entrance examination. It plays a very important role into getting into an MBA college, but it isn't the whole picture. There are a lot of things that comes into play when you get into an MBA college. Your profile is the major thing that is going to decide whether you're going to get in or not. So even if you don't crack CAT right now, you'll still have 1 year to build a better profile and to give a better exam so that you'll get into a very better college even than what you're going to get right now. So have that particular mindset when you go to an exam. Stay focused when you're writing the exam. Be cool, be calculative, make better decisions, and all the best. Thank you.